Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I wanted to do a makeup routine using all cruelty-free and vegan makeup. Some of them may only be cruelty-free, but as for the rest of the stuff, of course, if it's vegan, it's cruelty-free. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it, and I'm going to start with my primer. So this is the primer that I'll be using today. It is by The Ordinary. The Ordinary is cruelty-free and vegan. Now jumping into foundation, I will be using my Anastasia foundation stick, and this is $25. Now for foundation sticks, I rather blend it out with a brush just because a sponge is just going to make the process like 2 times longer. I'm just going to use my e.l.f. brush. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakerie and ColourPop concealer. Now I'm going to use another Anastasia foundation stick. This is in the shade Truffle, and I'm going to use this to contour. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakerie flour powder. For brows, I'm going to be using my Beauty Bakerie and Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. Okay, so I'm back. I did my brow, well, my other brow off camera. My brows are ugly today, but we're just gonna go with it. So now I'm going to powder contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. For the eyes, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Semi Chocolate Bar. It smells like chocolate. So the first shade I'm going to use is Peanut Butter. The next shade I'm going to use is Truffled. I'm going to take Hot Fudge. Okay, so I'm back. So for the rest of my face, I just went ahead and finished my other eye. I put on lip gloss and what else I do? Oh, I put on my lashes and mascara. As far as lip gloss goes, I used the Anastasia lip gloss, and this is in the color Kirsten. So here is the final look. I tried to use all cruelty-free and vegan products. I did this just because people are going vegan, you know, it's a thing, but are people also like transitioning and making sure they're using cruelty-free products? I mean, I don't use all cruelty-free products, but just in case there's someone who is looking for some makeup art options that do not involve cruelty, this is for you. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go check out some of my other videos. And if you have any ideas of what I should do next, what I should review or talk about in my videos, you can put it in the comments. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching.